Oh, y'all look cute. Y'all, that was a video. Okay, that's...
Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends.
Hey, everybody. Ow. Okay, anyways, on a serious note, I didn't put my eyebrows on at all. I'm giving it to y'all bare. Like, I just don't be feeling like doing all that. And I'm not a consistent person when it comes to makeup. Now, don't get me wrong. I love wearing it. Don't not get me wrong. I love wearing it. It's just, right now, I just don't have it in me. I really don't. I'm in a stoplight talking to y'all, so whatever. I'm on my way to school, and yeah. I decided that I'm gonna be making some of my videos a little longer, and I also will be giving y'all an all about me video, because I feel like y'all need to know a little more about me. I feel like I'll be giving y'all these little 5-second videos. I apologize. Yeah. Okay, well, I'll see y'all in my little school clip. Ow. And I wanted to let y'all know soon I will do a all about me. And yeah, because I feel like it's past overdue, and I just need to do that. I need to put that in a next video. So I'm gonna give y'all all about me, and I'm gonna do a couple things for y'all, so y'all don't make that go unnoticed. Yeah.
Okay, give me a photo.
Y'all look like y'all could be together for real.
For real.
Look at Bree. That little Chucky doll is.
Oh, you need to see him?
Yeah, I gotta see.
Okay, move it out the way. Let me...
He looks scary as hell. For real.
You look like it too.
Oh, little fairy going on.
It's a unicorn.
Yeah.
No, I was trying to...
I had the camera all the way up. Oh.
Hey, baby.
Hey.
My lipstick off.
Okay, say it.
My lipstick off.
I love it.
Butterfly.
Oh, yeah.
What are you talking
Okay, I like it. I like it. Oh. So I did what I'm about to be doing, highlights, and then we just did a root touch up. Yeah. Sometimes that will always, like, you would grow on them.
Wait.
I should have recorded all this.
Are we, like, are you going to put this, like, don't put that out there.
No.
Because I don't want nobody to know I'm that type of person, because I'm not.
That part.
That's the Snapchat me. That's not the Facebook.
Oh boy, look what
I like
Ben
your hair,
said. Thank you.
Not you.
Oh.
You ain't do nothing to me.
Ben was like, I didn't give you permission.
Can you just at least give a heads up?
But it didn't get all that juicy stuff. Nah, nobody don't need to be hearing all that.
It was like such a change though.
So we was having girl talk. They'll be in the next video. Girl talk 101.
Hopefully nobody has to go in there.
So we're out on the floor today because.
Hey.
Ow. So we're out on the floor today, and so we having something like, oh, that's my girl right here. You like her little haircut? Okay, but what I was trying to say is we having like a 50% off. I think it's just like chemicals and stuff. I think it's the whole thing. So Y'all gonna see us do what it do in here. Oh, I look like a hot mess, but don't mind that, okay? I'm just giving y'all what the school look like. Period. They gonna think we don't do nothing at school. Okay. Oh gosh. Tell your face.
Oh.
It's like. Oh, you look cute. Bree want to take so many pictures. I mean, I'm cool with it, but Bree so little, y'all. She about 5'2",
I am like,
and I'm like
I need to
5'10".
get measured to see how tall I am.
Oh, let me get Miss Sheila and stop playing. Okay. You look so pretty, girl. Talk to him. Where they can find you? What's your social media?
At Pretty Chameleon _
That's where you can find her. Give him that little leg. So that was the end of night class. And I really hope to see y'all in my next video. Peace.